Hi, my name's Susan Webb with University of Florida IFAS Extension, Polk County, and today we're going to be talking about planting in raised beds. So for planting seeds in your garden, first you're going to want to read the back of the seed packet for some specific information, like how deep to plant the seed. As a rule of thumb, you're going to plant larger seeds deeper and smaller seeds more close to the surface. Meaning plant the seed no deeper than twice the size of the seed. So to get started, you'll just make sure that you have a smooth work surface, which is the soil. So you want to smooth out the soil a little bit. Make an indentation with, I like to use my pointer finger, where you're going to plant the seed, and you'll put the indentation about as deep as you want the seed to go. So you'll make the indentation in the soil, drop your seed in, lightly cover it up with soil, and then water. Okay, so now we're going to move on to how to transplant in your raised garden bed. So first we're going to look at the size of our plant just to have an idea of how big of a hole it needs to go into in our garden bed. And so I'm just going to dig out a little area that looks like that root ball will fit in it nicely. I'm going to take my transplant, we have a lovely parsley plant here, out of the pot. I'm going to grab it real close to where the soil line is to be able to gently pull it out. We're going to gently place, oh, and it looks like it needs to be a little deeper, so I'm going to dig it a little deeper. Place that in. And you don't want to compact too far down on the soil there, so we're just going to gently move some soil around where it is. And again, you don't want to compact the soil too much, and you don't want to cover up the soil line right here of the original transplant, because when you water, you want to make sure it gets down to those roots. So that's what it should look like, and then we'll come back and water it in with a watering can. Thank you so much for coming out to the garden with us today. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and if you need more information, click on the links below.